Hello students. Today we are going to learn an important concept of mathematics called area and perimeter. These two ideas help us measure shapes that we see around us in daily life. For example, when we measure the boundary of a playground or when we calculate the surface of a floor that needs tiles, we use the concepts of perimeter and area. In this lesson, we will understand what perimeter means, what area means, the formulas of common shapes, and some solved examples. So let us begin. Perimeter is the total length around a shape. In simple words, it is the distance around the boundary of any closed figure. For example, imagine you want to put a fence around a garden. To know how much fencing wire you need, you must measure the boundary of the garden. That boundary length is called the perimeter. For a square, the perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied by the side. For a rectangle, the perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by the sum of length and breadth. For a triangle, the perimeter is simply the sum of all three sides. For a regular polygon, the perimeter is equal to the number of sides multiplied by the length of each side. What is area? Area is the amount of surface covered by a shape. In other words, it tells us how much space is inside the boundary of a shape. For example, when we cover a floor with tiles, paint a wall, or measure land for farming, we calculate the area. So while perimeter measures the boundary, area measures the surface inside the boundary. For a square, the area is equal to side multiplied by side. For a rectangle, the area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. For a triangle, the area is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. For a parallelogram, the area is equal to base multiplied by height. Perimeter measures the boundary of a shape. Area measures the surface covered inside the shape. Perimeter is measured in units such as centimeters or meters. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeters or square meters. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 8 centimeters. Perimeter equals 4 multiplied by 8, which is 32 centimeters. Next, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeters and breadth is 5 centimeters. Area equals 12 multiplied by 5, which is 60 square centimeters. Today we learned the concepts of area and perimeter. Perimeter is the total boundary around a shape, while area is the surface covered inside a shape. We also studied formulas for square, rectangle, triangle, and parallelogram. Practice these formulas regularly to strengthen your mathematical foundation. Jai Hind!